Is it visible?
So here,
Yeah, I can see two
no, no, no.
actually.
You click on other. Yeah. So username is root, password is welcome.
Acha, yeah. Okay, I thought that user we don't know actually. How can I log out? How can I out from this mouse? This
So
one?
this, yeah. So we need to install that disk image for the first time. Okay. So thereafter you will not get these issues. So first,
No, no.
just
This is the mouse of this virtual
no,
machine, right?
I got it. So this will not happen hereafter. So just give me controls. We need to
I have
we need to
given.
install that. Okay. We need to install that disk image for the very first time. I guess this will not be the case with Rajesh.
Okay, we install fresh one.
Click on that devices, topmost left one, on that devices next to inputs. So if you want to get out of this window, click select or hit control, uh, which is on the right side of your keyboard.
Okay.
Okay. So now you can take your cursor to devices.
No, it is not going.
Devices. It's not coming out. Hit control. कंट्रोल को टिक दबाओ.
दबाया मैंने.
दबाया तो
हाँ,
कर्सर और लेफ्ट साइड का दबाओ कंट्रोल.
दोनों कंट्रोल दबा के देखो. ये लेफ्ट साइड का है और ये राइट साइड. There is a right side.
Okay. Stop sharing your screen and then try it.
How can I stop?
No, no. Stop sharing your screen.
It
Then
is
try it.
not, the mouse is not going up. That is.
Just click on the control screen, control key last on the right side. Click on the control button.
Yeah.
It's out. No, now it is out.
No, it is not going up.
It should work.
Yeah, it should work. Once you hit the control.
Control key only, right? You are talking about.
Yeah, control key.
कंट्रोल का बटन जो एरो के बाजू में है कंट्रोल का बटन.
Left arrow key के बाजू में, right? Yeah, that can, now it's come.
हाँ वही तो. डिवाइसेस पे क्लिक करो. डिवाइसेस पे फिर से कंट्रोल दबाओ आप. Just a minute, just a minute, just a minute. Hold on, hold on, hold on.
It is blank actually. It is blank.
It is there, no? It is there, shared folder. Yeah.
Why is it not open? No, that is not mounted yet.
Software is not mounted it, right?
Software is not mounted, so we can mount it from here, but why it's not. This is not executing. Okay, so we'll see this, we'll fix it later. First, I will show you how to do it. Rajesh, show me your machine. Please share your screen. Just a minute. इसको हो जाने दो एक बार.
Can you allow me to
Just a minute.
This is the 6.4 actually.
Okay.
You have restarted? What you have done?
Just a minute. Already mounted is what is saying.
Dave SR0 is already mounted on media VPOC chat.
देखते हैं बाद में. Rajesh, please share your machine.
Can you allow me to share?
Yeah, just a minute.
Yeah. Okay.
अभी क्या किया आपने चेतन?
अभी बूट किया है उसको, बट
अच्छा,
देखते हैं वो फिक्स करना पड़ेगा उसको. अदर पे जाके रूट करो, रूट डालो पासवर्ड. हाँ, अभी डायरेक्ट टर्मिनल पे जाओ आप. राइट क्लिक, ओपन टर्मिनल. हाँ, DF-KH.
नहीं है, EMPS है.
हाँ, एक मिनट.
ये बैठा है ना, ये माउंट पर ये वाला.
नहीं ठीक है, एक मिनट. ठीक है, इसको फिक्स करते हैं बाद में. अभी आप इनको दो एक्सेस, राजेश को.
ठीक, स्टॉप करो ना. Yeah, done.
For me also it is not mounted actually. I didn't check actually. Today only I checked that one.
शुरू. Okay. Go to devices. Insert gas addition city. Second last. Insert gas addition city. And minimize this tab. Not this one. Yeah, run. Yes. Click on run. Yes. And minimize this one. Enter password for root. Welcome. Authenticate. Okay. Just hold on. Don't press anything. राजेश आई गेस आपका जो ऊपर का था ना टैब जिसमें आया था अपग्रेड वर्चुअल ये वाला वो एक बार देखना पड़ेगा गेस्ट एडिशन का सो देखते हो जाएगा ये दासू सॉरी दासू दासू कहना था आपका तो ये वर्क कर रहा है and after this is install guest edition you'll be getting a big screen. Okay, after that you
Okay.
need to boot it, but thereafter you'll get this screen.
इसका माउंट पॉइंट है तभी showing in the top VBox ये 7 this one.
Take time maybe. Yeah.
It will take time. Okay, so give control to me, and whenever it prompts, just press enter. Okay, or
Okay.
or don't do anything. Just ask me. Okay, I will tell you.
Okay.
Okay, so give give prompt to me.
Yeah.
Now,
I think that my screen it is completed.
yours is completed.
But that screen is that command.
Yeah, that is gone, no?
Yeah, it is gone.
Okay.
But this GUI screen is the same size. It is not increased size.
No, you need to reboot it.
Reboot it. Okay.
Okay. Actually, I first need to boot my machine. It's not working properly. I will rejoin. Okay, just let me boot my machine. I will rejoin it. So meanwhile, you also boot your machine, Rajesh. Just just punch init space 6. Okay.
Okay.
By root, not by Oracle. Okay.
Hello.
Yes. Did it work for you, Rajesh?
No, it didn't work. It is same size.
Okay, we'll check it later.
Yeah.
First, let me show you. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. The screen is visible to you, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll start with OFA. OFA. It stands for optimal flexible architecture.
Okay.
Okay. Now, so far we have got one machine ready for you. Okay. So this is our server. It is having one host name demo.oracle.com, and it has got one IP 192.168.2.20. Correct?
Yeah.
Now, what is our next plan? We'll be installing Oracle software on this particular machine. It can be
Yes.
12C, 19C, 11G, 21C, whatever. Okay.
Okay.
So my first question is it possible to configure one database, let's call it as A, of version 12C, okay,
Mm.
and another database, let's call it as B, of version 19C. Is that possible?
Yeah, possible.
So you can have different databases, two different databases of different version on same server. Is that possible?
Yeah,
Same server means one VM you're saying, or how it is?
yeah, possible.
Okay, that is possible, but then you need to have both the softwares installed. Okay,
Mm.
correct?
Correct.
Now we'll be installing 12C software as of now. Okay, let's assume you have got three databases over here, A, B, and C. Okay, so once you log into this server, you will be logging to one of the database. Let's assume we have to log into C database. Then we need to set environment for C.
Mm.
Okay, so what is setting environment? So
One server means what exactly over here?
one server in the sense what machine you have created yesterday. That is one server.
So you are saying I have installed 12C and 19C both, and
No, you have not installed anything yet, but that configuration is possible. As of now, you have got plain machine, plain server.
But what is the use of that actually? Will that help?
No, I'm saying you can do that way. I'm telling you all the
Configuration you
possibilities.
can do, basically installation
I'm
you can
telling,
do it.
yes. I'm telling you like how it works and all the possibilities.
Okay.
Okay. This is for your understanding only. Tomorrow you may not get confused. Like, is it possible that I can install 12C, 19C, 21C, all the versions? Okay. So that's possible. Now, forget about different versions. As of now we are discussing, we have installed 19C software, and then thereafter we created three databases out of it, A, B, and C. Okay. If you have to log into C database, then you will be setting environment for C database, correct?
Yeah.
So what is setting environment? Ultimately, you will be setting three parameters. That is Oracle base, Oracle home, and Oracle SID. Okay. So what is Oracle base, Oracle home, and Oracle SID? That we'll discuss. So first we'll jump to Oracle home.
Mm.
Okay. So Oracle home is nothing but the location where you have installed software.
Okay.
Okay. Even in your C, but like in your Windows, you have installed several softwares, right? You have got Chrome. Yesterday you installed VirtualBox, and maybe you have got Windows Media Player and so on. So you install it in your C programs and that particular folder.
Mm.
Same way, any folder or any directory structure where you will be installing Oracle software now, that will be called as Oracle home.
Mm.
So we are going to choose the path as, so don't focus or don't try to memorize this. Gradually you will understand it, but the path will be user and app Oracle product DB1. So this will be my path.
Mm.
I will be creating this path, and this will be my path where my software will be installed.
Okay.
Okay. Now, once this software is installed, so what is installation of software? Ultimately, it will be having multiple directory structures. It will be having Java files, lib files, binary files. All the essential directories and file structure will be created here, right? That files will be used to access your database. Now, once you have installed software, you can create multiple database from this software, correct? So you will
Yeah.
be creating A, B, and C databases from this software. All the database which will be created from this software will belong to same version 19.3. You cannot create 12C out of it, you cannot get 21C out of it, you cannot get 19.3.2 out of it. It will only create 19.3 version of databases. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Now let's assume you want to install 21C software as well. This is 19.3. Now you want to install 21C. So I will be giving path as use01 app Oracle product 21.3.0 and then DB1. Okay. So if you try to draw tree diagram for that, let's see how it looks. So you try to visualize this folder structure. Use your own app Oracle. Okay. So दासु you try to imagine these structures. मतलब एक यूजर और फोल्डर है, उसके अंदर ऐप नाम का फोल्डर है, उसके अंदर ओरेकल नाम का फोल्डर है. ओके.
Basically, you're putting your package over there, that particular folder from where you're creating DB1, DB2, DB3, right?
नहीं नहीं, अभी फिलहाल सिर्फ आप इतना इमेजिन करो कि फोल्डर, there is one folder use01. In
Okay.
that folder there is another folder app. In that folder there is another folder Oracle.
Okay.
Like this one is my folder use01.
Understood.
Okay, understood. Now in Oracle you have got multiple folders. Product, Ora data, then fra, then diag, and so on. Okay. In product, again, I have got two folders as of now. One is 19.3, okay. Another is 21.3 or 21.0, okay. This Ora data will have three folders, A, B, and C. Ora data stands for Oracle data. FRA stands for fast recovery area. Okay. And then 19.3 has got one folder.
From is fast recovery.
Fast recovery area. We'll come to it.
Okay.
Okay. And then DB1. Now, if I ask you, where is my 19C software? What you will say? Use an app Oracle product, and this one is my 19C software. If I ask you, where is my 21C software? आप बोलोगे use an app Oracle product. This one is my, and here it will be having all the files and folders for 21C. This is for 19C. Okay. If again I want to install 21C, 12C, I will install here. Okay. Now I have created one database. Let's call it as A. Database has got certain files, control file, data files, and data files. So all those files I will place under this folder, under A. Same file you have got for another database C. So I will place all those files under this folder, under user map Oracle, Ora data under C. Okay. What DIAG has got? DIAG has got all the alerts and traces for all these databases. Diag, then RDBMS, and then again you have got that directory structure. Okay. So thereafter, after Diag, you will be having another folder RDBMS. Then RDBMS further will get 3 folders A, B, and C. So all the alerts, logs, trace files, and everything for A database. We have got 3 databases, right? A, B, and C. So for A database, you will go to U01 app Oracle, Diag, RDBMS, B, and thereafter. You're getting these things. Don't try to, give much pressure on your brain like you are getting confused. This is just an overview. So now what we'll call this as U01 app Oracle. This is my Oracle base. And thereafter, Oracle base will have subdirectories. This structure. So ये हो गया Oracle base, and then Oracle home. What is Oracle home? The path where I will be installing my software. That is my Oracle home. Okay. So we are sorted for 2 things: Oracle base, Oracle home, and the last is Oracle SID, which is nothing but name of your database. Okay, Oracle SID. Now we have
What
created
is the SID? Session ID or something else?
No. SID, that is different. SID, Oracle SID वो अलग था, $1 session में जो मिलता है. And this is SID is database name. Okay. Now we have created 3 databases out of it from this 19C software. So what will be value if I want to log into a database? Oracle base will be same U01 app Oracle. Oracle home will be the path for my software, which is this one, and SID will be A. What will be the values for B database? Base and home will stay same. Only SID will change to B, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, Dasu, my question is, so this is for 19.3. Now, if I want to log into C database, whose Oracle home is from 21C version.
Yeah.
Okay. So what will be these values?
The base will be same. Home will be changed.
Perfect.
Home will be changed with this.
That's it. Yes, and C will be Oracle. Yeah, that's it. इतना ही है. ठीक है. Now you need to set these 3 things when you log into database. You can set it manually. Export space Oracle base equal to value. Let me log into my machine.
Can you show that page, the another page?
Which one? This one.
Where you have put it? Okay. This is 21.0. You mentioned this one. That is your home, right?
That is Oracle. That is home for 21C version.
Yes,
21 प्रोडक्ट के अंदर मैंने एक फोल्डर बना दिया एंड अंडर दैट फोल्डर आई हैव प्लेस्ड
that is home, right?
So what we are discussing over here, ये क्या है सब ये? This is nothing but OFA, optimal flexible architecture. मतलब Oracle recommends you कि यहाँ पे ये फाइल रखो, वहां पे ये फाइल रखो. In short, मुझे एक बात बताओ, U01 के अंदर if I create 3 folders, movies, songs, and then documents, ठीक है? This is for my convenience. Then movies के अंदर मैं I can again create more folders like old and then new, or English, Hindi, Marathi, something like that. ठीक है? Now, if in case for any reason, if I place songs in documents folder and try to play it, Will that work? Will that work?
No, you have to give the path over there. No?
But if there are few songs, instead of pasting or instead of copying song to this folder, I copied it in documents folder and then I play it. Will it play on my machine?
Yeah, it will play on the
It will
machine.
play, right?
Yeah. Basically, you're saying that if you're moving this song directly over there, it is playing with the help
नहीं,
in the
songs
Oracle with
यहाँ
the help.
whether you put songs here or whether you put here or whether you put it on desktop or whether you place it anywhere, it will work. Same
That,
way, if you put C file under any file, any folder, any directory structure, it will work. It's not going to impact anyway. But simply you are not following OFA. That's it. मतलब ढूंढने में दिक्कत जाएगी आपको. Anyway, we are not going to search files manually by going to files. We'll be checking it from database only. But this is OFA. Tomorrow, let's assume you have joined any organization and that is your very first day. And to your bad, you are in morning shift, and the moment you resume or you start your shift, you get an alert that database has crashed. So what you will be doing the very first thing, you will be checking the alert log. Now you're not going to call your manager that this B database has crashed. Where have you placed alert log? If he's sleeping, he will be telling like, I have got 3,000 databases. I have not memorized each and every alert log. We are following OFA, so we have placed it at the right location where it should be. So then you need to go to your Oracle base, dial RDBMS, and then you'll be getting that alert log. Okay, so this is the significance of OFA. Another thing is, like, you have got control file, data files, and redo files. So control file will be having extension .ctl. Redo log will be having .log, and data files will be having extension .dbf, dbf or .dat, dat. Okay. Now I have got database by name first. So if I want to log into my database, I will be setting three things: export Oracle underscore base equal to U01 app Oracle. Export Oracle underscore SID equal to first. Okay. Or this is nothing but like you can pass any value. Export A equal to 5, correct? And then if you want to see what value you have assigned to A, you can check it by echo $A. So it will give value as 5. So if you say echo $Oracle SID, you will get value as first. Okay. So this is one way. And if you don't want to do such tedious things, then you have got Oracle utility, which is Ora env. Ora stands for Oracle, env for environment. So you call it dot space Ora env.
Okay.
Hit enter, and then it will ask, or it will prompt to punch the database name. So I can punch anything. I will be saying test, or I will be saying as clone.
Okay.
So thereafter, it has set environment for clone database. Tomorrow you will be punching anything like .orinv. I will be saying Basu. So it's not going to work. I may punch anything. I will be saying Chetan. I may say Rajesh. It will not work. So first thing you need to understand how this is taking effect, how this is being set. Okay, so whenever you execute .ora env, what happens is ora env hits one file which is placed in etc ora tab, which is placed in etc, and the file is ora tab. Under etc you have got file ora tab. Okay, so we'll open it. etc ora tab. So if you see, it has got several entries for database. So it has got entries in the three form. It has got three things. So the first one is database name, colon. Another one is Oracle home, and last is N or Y, which stands for whether you want to boot your database on reboot of server. So once server starts, this database will also start if it's Y. Okay, but again, that needs some configuration, few more configurations also. But these are only the three things which are mentioned in ora tab. Now, if I place one more entry over here, let's say Basu. Okay. Now I will say .ora env and I'm saying Basu. So Basu is that because I last time I punched Basu, so it has again asked it. Let me clear it. If I say ABC, so now it will say ABC. Okay. Now I will say Basu. Will it work? Yes, it will. It will set environment for Basu database. It has set my database or Oracle home also and base also. But if I log into SQL prompt, I will go to SQL prompt also. I will get SQL prompt. Connected to idle instance means your database is down. Now, the moment I say startup, it will fail everything. Because there is no database with Basu. Okay, it will not work. Only I can reach to SQL prompt. Why it has worked? Because what happens when you call SQL plus? SQL plus is an utility which is placed in your Oracle home bin folder. So this is your Oracle home, right? In your Oracle home, you have got bin folder, bin, binaries, bin folder.
Okay.
This has got several utilities,
Okay.
out of which one is SQL plus. So the moment you say SQL plus, it will go to your Oracle home bin folder and it will execute it. If your environment is not set, you will get an error SQL plus not found. Why? Because your environment is not set.
Okay.
Okay, now environment is not set. Correct?
Yeah.
Now, if I say SQL plus, it will not work. Command not found. Why? Because it is not able to find your Oracle home. It is not set. The moment you set Oracle home, it will go to home bin directory and it will call SQL plus. If you go to your Oracle home, this is my Oracle home, pwd, present working directory. This is my Oracle home. Now, if I go to bin folder, okay, you will be say you can see several utilities. We'll explore these gradually. As of now, we are interested in SQL plus.
Okay.
This one, right?
Okay.
So if you call it, it will work. So it has asked to set Oracle home. If I set it manually, export I can set it manually also, right? And
Yeah,
if I thereafter I say SQL plus, it will work. Right? Now it's working. Okay.
Okay.
So you can now at least understand how to set environment for database. Okay.
Yeah.
Now I will show you how to install software.
Okay.
So installation of software is very easy. You simply need to do two things. The first thing is you will be copying that software to any particular location the same way you do it in your Windows machine. Let's assume you want to install Chrome in your machine. Okay, what you will be doing is, what you will do, first you will download Chrome software from uh, online or whatever you can get from your one of your colleague, and let's assume it is in a zip format. We can give name as chrome.zip.
Yeah.
Okay, what is the first step you will do? You will unzip it.
Yeah.
On unzip it, on unzipping, you will get executable file from this
Yeah.
thing, right? Let's
Yes.
call it as abc.exe,
Mm.
right?
Yes.
And then you will execute this, right? These are the
Yes.
only steps, correct? Correct, Dasu?
Yes.
Any confusion so far?
No, no.
Okay. Now, same way, what we'll be doing for installation of Oracle software. Yesterday you have already downloaded 19C software, correct? So
Yes.
that is 19C zip folder. Okay.
Okay.
You create directory structure
Mhm.
U01 app Oracle product 19.3.0 DB1. So this is my path where I will be installing my software, and hence this will be called as my Oracle home, correct?
Yeah.
The path where I install software is called my Oracle home. So I will create this path first. Thereafter, I will copy this software over here.
Mm.
Okay. On
Okay.
copying software to this location, I will unzip it.
Mm.
Once I unzip it, the same way I get one executable file, I get one executable file as run installer.
Mm.
So you simply execute this run installer. Once you execute this, you will get one pop-up, and that's it. So thereafter you will be selecting the parameters you want.
Mm.
That we'll see, and you keep on proceeding it. Next, 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 and it will start installing software to this location.
This path is do we need to create before normally while installing a application we will not put the path, no, it will take automatically and install there.
No, that used to happen in 12C. What happens in 19C is
You need to
from
create it. Yeah.
no. You need to create, not only you need to create it, but you need to unzip this
Mm.
zip file at this
Okay.
location only.
Mm.
Why? Because the path where you unzip it, that itself will be your Oracle home.
Mm.
But in 11G, what used to happen? You can unzip it at any location, and while installing it, you have to give this path. Like
Okay.
it will prompt you where you want to install software. But
Mhm.
from 19C onwards,
Okay.
the location where you unzip it, it
Mhm.
will install there itself. Why?
Oh.
There is reason to it.
Mm.
Because this software is quite huge in size. Secondly, what files used to create during installation in 11G, those files are itself created on unzipping now. That's why your installation works faster.
Okay.
Earlier, it used to create all these files while installing, but now the moment you unzip it, few of the files are created at that time only.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Okay. So far any confusion, Dasu?
Right.
Okay.
So
Now,
initially you the SQL plus which you're connecting, right? You're
yeah.
creating a SID of this one. That there was a slightly confusion, but I'll ask maybe later.
No. It was working for me because I have already installed software.
Yeah. You were saying 12C, basically 11C, 12C, 11G, 12C, they're asking the path, but in case of 19, the same path it has to be installed, right?
The path where you unzip it,
Yeah.
you will be placing this zip folder at certain location, right? And then you will unzip it. So जहां पे भी आप इसको unzip कर दोगे ना, वही आपका सॉफ्टवेयर लोकेशन हो जाएगा. पहले क्या होता था कि you can place this zip folder anywhere, you can unzip it anywhere, and when you invoke this run installer, that time it will ask you कि भाई कहाँ करना है आपको इंस्टॉल. सो आप पाथ दे दो. 19C में it won't ask you. The location where you unzip it, that path is considered as your Oracle home. क्यों ऐसा? क्योंकि unzip करने के बाद certain files create तभी हो जाती है ताकि आपका इंस्टॉलेशन जल्दी हो. पहले क्या होता था कि इंस्टॉलेशन में वो फाइल सब क्रिएट करते बैठता था तो टाइम लगता था. ओके. नाउ सो फार यू बोथ आर गुड, बट अब मतलब थोड़ा ट्विस्ट कहाँ पे या कंफ्यूजन कहाँ हो सकता है वो देखो. हमारे सो दिस सिनेरियो इज फॉर अस ओनली, फॉर वर्चुअल मशीन. यू हैव गॉट वन फोल्डर, मतलब अभी नहीं है लेकिन आ जाएगा. यू हैव गॉट सॉफ्टवेयर फोल्डर, करेक्ट? And then it will be having that zip file.
Okay.
So now listen carefully. Access to this software folder is granted to only root user. Okay. Now what we'll be doing is also /u01 या slash mount point जो है initially, to that mount point access is granted only to root user, correct?
Yeah.
So what you will be doing is login by root user, create that directory structure user on app Oracle. Okay. So we'll be creating this by root. Directory structure is /u01 app Oracle product 19.3 and so on. Okay. That path you will be creating by root user. Then you will be copying software by root user. यहाँ से copy करना है यहाँ पे. Okay.
But is
So
this
far,
mandate? Is this mandate on the 19C?
mandate in the sense करना तो ऐसे ही पड़ेगा ना आपको.
नहीं, बात में अगर if I put the software, if I try once I'm trying to install and the installation happen in the different path, that will be not possible. You want to say that, right?
You will have to copy. देखो ये सॉफ्टवेयर ये तो एक विंडो है. This is not physical path. You will have to copy it to some of the location. Okay. Right now this is not in your machine. You can just see it from window. ये gateway है software mount point. You need to copy to your machine. So once you copy it to your machine, you will be unzipping it.
Basically, you're saying you have to copy on the Oracle home directory, and then you
Correct.
you have to run the
Perfect.
because execute basically the software you're saying.
Correct. But the thing is, now first you will be creating path by root user. Thereafter you will be copying it by root user. So what will happen is path is created by root and copying is done by root. So obviously ownership will be with root user, correct?
Correct.
Yeah.
So don't proceed for unzipping it. The moment you have created path and copying it, give permissions to Oracle. How?
Okay.
You will be executing command change owner -r, which stands for recursively, Oracle user, group is o install, and /u01.
Okay.
This will grant ownership to Oracle user over entire U01 folder. So
Okay.
U01 के अंदर जितने भी files folder है, those all files and folders will get permission of Oracle. Okay. So once this is done, you log in by Oracle now. You had login by root, now you log in by Oracle user, and hereafter you will never ever log in by root.
But suppose by mistake and I install through root, if I wanted to change the owner with the Oracle, will that work?
No. The first thing is like you don't unzip it by root. You need to unzip it by Oracle.
But if I unzip it on the root, so can I change the ownership then with the?
कर सकते हो. So this itself will give permissions to Oracle, na?
But after installation also, if wanted to give the ownership change the U01 folder to Oracle,
you can give
in that case,
yes.
It will work, right?
Yeah, but if by mistake you do it, you scratch it. You scratch this path or you scratch that folder and you do it again.
That's fine. But if I change the ownership after the installation,
yeah, that is fine. That is fine for this Oracle software. But in admin 2 will be installing ASM also. So same you need to follow these steps. But what happens while installing ASM, some of the files are owned by root and some of the files are owned by Oracle. So then changing permissions by this method is not at all recommended. That changing permissions for all the files and all, that is not at all recommended. So you don't follow that practice. Follow habit of unzipping it by Oracle and installing it by Oracle. Okay, because once you change the permissions for all the files, you may land up in some another errors, and more or less that is not the standard practice also. So unzip it by Oracle. Okay, so I will quickly show you this whole thing is what we have discussed. Okay, but so far have you got any confusion, Dasu and Rajesh?
No.
So I will do it for you now. So now I have login by root. Okay. If you see, I have got another directory 202. Okay. This is my another mount point. I will be installing here. Okay. You have to install in your /mount point. Okay.
First, for me, U01 is there. I think you can install
over here. It will be under this. Like you will be seeing at cd/ and then if you do it, you will get U01.
Oh yeah.
But earlier, when you have got fresh machine, you will not get U01 also. You will not get anything. This needs to be created. Okay.
Okay.
Now, what I will do, first I will create my directory structure under U02. Okay. mkdir-p permissively U02 app Oracle product 19.3.0 DB1. Okay. You can give any name. You can give 21C also. But software will remain for 19C only. Okay. So this is just a naming convention. So you will be creating as U01 and rest of the path will be same. So in case if you get any confusion, so just go through this video. Okay. We have started recording also, no? It's
Yeah, recording.
yeah. So make directory. I have created directory. Fine. Now this will be my Oracle home. Okay. Now I will go to softwares and I can see all the softwares which I have placed in my shared folder.
Okay.
So this is software for 19C. So I will copy it to this folder. I am copying it by root. Hence, permissions for this particular zip folder will be with root. Correct? If you check
Yes.
it, see, root. Correct?
Yeah.
Root. I have ls under this path. So permissions are with root.
Okay.
And now, what are the steps to install? First, I will unzip it and
Yeah.
I will call my run installer executable file. But
Okay.
I will be unzipping it with Oracle user.
Okay.
But for that, first Oracle should have permission. It is with root. Now, next step is change owner -r recursively Oracle o install is group to slash /u02. OIL. Fine. Now,
Yeah.
if you cross check it again, you will see that permissions are with Oracle now. Earlier it was with root.
Okay.
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 Now I will exit.
What is the O install?
O install is group name that we'll discuss.
Okay.
Okay. In user management. So log out. And I will now log in with Oracle user. cd/u02 app Oracle product. Okay. List. This is my zip folder. You unzip it. So it will create few files along with run installer utility. Check it. You will get run installer. Okay. Now you call it ./run installer. It will give you pop-up. If this pop-up doesn't work and you get display errors, okay, what you need to do? You need to log in by root user. Log in by root user. Okay, and execute x host space plus. Okay, So access control disabled, and then it will work for you. This pop-up. Okay. Now, this is for software installation. Now you have got two provisions. Either you can only install software and thereafter create databases from it, or you can do it in a one go. So by default, it will create ORCL database for you. But as of now, we'll focus only on installing software. So
Okay.
set of software only. Next. This is
Actually,
single.
we need to set up the environment also before creating this one, correct? Creating the database, correct?
No. That is different story. We'll jump to it later on. As of
Okay.
now, our goal is to only install software.
Okay.
Okay. I will tell you how to install database also. So,
Single
uh,
instance.
yeah,
But here we
software
are
only, then single instance. Okay.
For that environment is not required. It will
No,
take by
you are not creating any database, no, as of now.
okay.
First go through it, then you can ask me questions. Okay. Now, this is enterprise edition. What is enterprise edition? Standard edition. This depends on licensing. So costing varies for each and every enterprise edition, and accordingly you will get features. So enterprise edition is the highest one, which is having heavier cost, and then you get features like flashback, data guard, AWR reports. So that stats pack, that is all included in enterprise edition. So standard edition, so cost is low, features are also low. Okay, so you choose enterprise edition. Next, this is my Oracle base, user and app Oracle. So don't change it. And if you see, by default, it has taken my location, software location from where I have invoked this utility. You can see this, right? This is my path where I have unzip it, right? So I don't have any provision to change it. This will be my software location. Okay. Next. Keep it as it is. Next. Here, there are two scripts. While installing, it will prompt to execute two scripts. One is root.sh, another is aura inst root.sh. These two scripts you need to execute by root user. What is the purpose of these scripts? Root sh, what this will do is, you are aware of Aura tab कहाँ गया? Anyway, you are aware of Aura tab file now, right? Aura tab, etc Aura tab.
Okay.
Where we have entries and like Aura env calls this Aura tab, right? So initially, Aura tab has got permission or ownership of root. But to execute Aura env will call this Aura tab. So Oracle should have these permissions, right? So once you execute root.sh, the permissions to Aura tab will be given to Oracle user. Thereafter, your Aura env will work. Okay. So you need to execute root.sh and aura inst root.sh. So I will show you this as well. You can punch credentials here also for root, or you can execute it manually. So this will perform pre-checks. So if there are few errors, see there are some fixables. So this is fixable, yes. So you hit fix and check again. So to fix these scripts, it has asked me to run, so open a terminal window, log in as root, and execute this script. Okay. So I have login by root.
What is this script actually?
Fix up script hai.
Sorry?
It is a fix up script. I have got few errors na, over here for kernels and all. So this script will fix these errors.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
What
basically you're
only
saying
only जो
those
fixable
scripts
है
you
वही
have to run through root.
root यहाँ पे दिए हैं steps आपको. Open the terminal window, log in as root, run the script. So how to execute that script? I have login by root and I am simply executing that script.
Okay.
ठीक है, and simply press enter. Path डाला है and स्क्रिप्ट का नाम डाला है, बाकी कुछ भी नहीं किया है, cd vd कुछ नहीं करना है, जस्ट enter the path along with name and press enter. That's it. All fix up operations were completed successfully. Come to
You're saying
that.
there's a certain file which need to be installed through root. That is the reason they're given error, and you're
Correct.
following.
Some parameters need to be modified, so that has been modified now. Okay. Now come over here. Say okay. You have followed those steps. It will again perform this check, and then it has given to install this package ksh and lib. So
But
we
this is
can.
all related to GUI only, or it's a part of package, this 19C only.
What?
I mean to say you already done the run installer, right? And the second screen you're seeing the errors. So this is
No,
all
that all part of run installer only.
okay.
Okay. That these are all steps. See, these are all steps we are
They're giving
doing
the
one by
error
one
based on
again.
that you're okay, fixing, and then it's moving further.
Yeah, I didn't fix it. It gave me errors and it gave me fix up script also. Here,
Okay,
fix
got
and
it.
check again. So the moment I
But
hit
it was
fix,
there in the 11C and 12C.
yeah, it might have been there also.
Okay.
What this fix up script?
Yeah.
Yes, it was there also.
In the GUI base. The GUI one.
This is nothing but pre-checks. So if you go back next, so it is performing pre-checks, and then after pre-performing, it gives you that things.
Okay.
If there were some fixable yes, then this would have been enabled. Fix and check again. So the moment you hit fix, it will give that script. Okay. So now I know these packages are not important. So I will be saying ignore all, and then next, and I will continue. It says that you have chosen ignore, and then I am okay. I will say yes, and that's it. I have reached to the last point. I will hit install. So it will start installing my software now. Now, these are the steps where it will start installing. So the last step, execute root scripts. The moment I reach over here, it will give me a pop-up with list of 2 scripts to execute by root. So again, I will go to root prompt. This is my root. I have logged in as root, correct? And path will be my Oracle home 202 app Oracle product. This is Oracle home, and script name will be root.sh. So this I need to execute. This is the first script. Okay. Yeah, this it has already prompted. See, we have reached to the last step, execute root scripts. Okay. So it has asked me to open a terminal window, log in as root, run the scripts, and return to this window and click OK to continue.
Okay. Chetan, you there? You're not audible actually.
That's it.
Rajesh?
Hello, yeah.
Okay.
Now registration of Oracle database was successful, so installation is done. Okay. Now software is installed successfully. Fine.
Just in the same path only, right?
In the same path, yes. So this is my Oracle home, and if you see, we have got all the files and folders under that path. Now software is installed. Next step is to create databases out of it, right? This software is installed, right? This software is installed. You will be creating A, B, and C databases out of it. So I told you where are all the utilities placed, one of which out of which was SQL plus. What is the location for all the utilities? Bin. Oracle home के bin में we have got all the utilities. So this is my Oracle home, correct? This is my Oracle home. Go to bin folder. Fine. Then you will be seeing all the utilities. Now
You are not audible.
of SQL plus. Hello.
Yeah, now can. Now I can hear you.
Okay. So first is SQL plus. Another is DBCA, which stands for Database Configuration Assistance. So you call this utility to create database. So you can create as many databases as you want.
DBCU.
DBCA, Database Configuration Assistance.
Okay.
/DBCA, you will get another pop-up to create databases. You can create as many databases as you want. So the first tab is create database. Hit next. You can give any name. I will be giving at test001. Okay. Untick create as container. उसको untick करना है. पासवर्ड कुछ भी दे दो छोटा सा. sys का पासवर्ड sys दिया है मैंने स्मॉल में. sys डेटाबेस का नाम है test001. Next, it is saying password is weak, which is एनवायरमेंट सेट करते वक्त भी स्मॉल में डालना है. एफ कैपिटल रखोगे तो एफ कैपिटल ही रखना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो कीप इट इन स्मॉल एंड दैट्स इट.
Which F you're talking about? In between, your voice is actually going off. Actually, sometimes you're not able to hear you. बीच में आपका आवाज चला जाता है.
एक मिनट होल्ड करो. एक मिनट.
I think maybe your Bluetooth headphone you're using.
ओवरहेड वाला है ना, ओवरहेड वाला कान बहुत दर्द देते हैं. नाउ इज इट फाइन?
Yeah, no.
So I was saying, whenever you will be punching database name, so if you punched Basu, B capital, so all the time you will have to punch B capital and the rest in small. So put Basu as small, all in small. So database will be first. So FIRST all in small. Okay. So this will create database for me test001. Fine.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's it. So you can refer this video. So as of now, let me check for Rajesh machine what happened. Okay, but any doubts so far?
Initially there was, but let me go through with this one.
Yeah, you go through the video and
because you
try
have
to install
given
it.
that SQL plus and this one SID. Those I need to understand actually how.
कौन सा? Which one?
आपने स्टार्टिंग में बीच में बताया था ना SQL प्लस में उसे SID करते हैं. अगर SID कॉन्फ़िगर किया है आपने जैसे किसी X नाम से and you're changing with Y, it can happen. But if you remove something, then if you're trying to change, it is not happen like that. That was a little faster for me.
Okay. Let me tell you again. No issues. See, what I was saying is, This
आपका
is
time
my
हो गया.
no, just I will clear that doubt. I have logged in freshly to my machine. Okay.
Correct.
Now I punch SQL plus. Will this work?
Yes, ideally it should.
It won't. Why? Because okay, the first question to you is where is SQL plus placed?
Okay, you have to link with that actually.
Ha. So it is placed in Oracle Home bin folder. Fine.
Correct.
Oracle Home के bin में रहती है SQL plus. Now I have logged into my machine. Have I set my environment? Have I set my Oracle Home? No.
No.
If you say echo dollar Oracle Home, it is blank. तो उसको SQL plus कहाँ से मिलेगी? नहीं मिल सकती क्योंकि Oracle Home set नहीं है.
Correct.
The moment I set my Oracle Home with Aura env or export, you can set it anyway. Okay, तो यहाँ मैं डाल देता हूँ टेस्ट नाम का है. नहीं टेस्ट नाम नहीं है. फर्स्ट
Oracle SID is nothing but your DB name, right?
हाँ, but I don't need to set Oracle SID. I need Oracle Home. Why? Because Oracle Home के बिन में SQL Plus है ना.
Correct.
तो Oracle Home सेट नहीं करोगे तो SQL Plus कहाँ से मिलेगा? Oracle Home सेट किया तो now it knows that I need to go to Home के बिन में. But Home ही नहीं बताओगे तो बिन कहाँ से मिलेगा?
Exactly.
Now I have set Aura env will set all the three things. SID, Home and base. Now if you do echo Oracle Home, it will prompt you value.
The path basically.
पाथ ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. अब अगर मैं SQL प्लस करूंगा तो चल जाएगा वो. बिकॉज होम के बिन में उसको पता है. इट नोज कि इट इज प्लेस्ड इन ओरेकल होम के बिन फोल्डर में. बट if you have not set Oracle Home, how it will work? It will not work. So what I did, I just changed my Oracle Home to anything. Okay. Now home is not set. It is not set. It is set in the sense it is uh, it is
Basically,
wrongly set.
Okay, basically it
Okay.
is not.
Not set. So if you execute SQL plus, it will not work.
Right.
Okay. That's it. So you go through the video properly for installation and by not by
And
today,
you
by
have
tomorrow.
doing something SID also, no? You remove the SID, but then you added SID.
That I did like etc Aura tab. How Aura env is working? It refers to Aura tab folder.
Correct.
Okay. Now Aura tab is placed over in etc Aura tab. I entered Basu name over here. So if I punch Basu after Aura env, it will set environment for Basu also.
Okay, if you
Ideally,
use that SID, then it will be executed. If it is removed from here, it will not.
It will not work. Ideally, if you create database by DBCA, automatically entries are put in Aura tab. You can check over here also. I just created database test 001 in front of you and automatically it has put entry in Aura tab.
Okay.
So next time, if I try to set environment for test 001, it will work. Now if I log into my database, I guess this is created now. No, it is still in progress, but still you can see it. Select name from $V database. See, so it is working.
Okay, understood
Okay,
now.
okay. So, so whenever you have doubts, you can ask me. Okay. Now, so you go through this video for installation. So by tomorrow, you try to install it. Whenever you have free time, you try to install it. Okay. So we'll try to meet by Saturday now, because you will need some time, but do come with doubts. So quickly, if you have time, Rajesh, lastly, just share your screen. Let me see if we can quickly resolve your machine. Let me check it.
In my machine having some issue, right? What I need to do?
You need to check for that virtual box. I will show you screenshots.
Okay.
Or maybe you need to upgrade that only virtual box wala last wala. Okay. You have given me credentials, access, no? Okay.
Upgrade from where exactly?
बता दो एक मिनट.
Okay.
Oh, it is
So
there.
Rajesh, yeah,
Yeah,
it's
it is
there.
there.
Okay.
Yeah.
And once you reboot this, it should give you. Okay. But forget, that's not our major concern. But वो हो जाएगा बड़ा.
Yeah, now it is mounted. This one.
It is mounted and you can see the folder. So Rajesh, can you do it, or I will? Shall I do it just quickly for you? You will be doing it, na?
Yeah, I'll do.
Okay. Okay, great. So you have got Oracle user also. Fine.
Yeah.
And one more thing, let me check. Fine, that's it. So host name is also properly set, and ठीक है, ये perfect है. Machine is fine. So you can proceed. So you do it, and once you are done for installation, you create another backup for this. Okay, by right clicking and then clone. कहाँ गया भाई clone?
Second one, second one.
Second one, clone. This will be active once machine is down.
Okay, when you shut down.
हाँ, शट डाउन तो वो क्लोन एक्टिव रहेगा. अभी शुरू है तो नहीं रहेगा. ओके.
Okay, okay.
ओके. सो बासु, सो राजेश, यू आर ऑल सेट. ओके, आप कर सकते हो
Yeah.
ना. ओके.
Okay.
दासु आपका बता दो एक बार.
Okay. हाँ, मेरा कुछ ज्यादा ही डिफिकल्ट लगा.
नहीं, डिफिकल्ट नहीं है.
Rajesh, can you stop the screen?
I'll stop. I'll stop.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it my screen visible?
हाँ हाँ.
ये कैसे जाता है यहाँ? ये नहीं.
हाँ, ये डिवाइसेस में ये जो अपग्रेड
क्या
गेस्ट
आपको
एडिशन है.
स्क्रीन दिख रहा है? Okay, sorry.
हाँ, ये जो सो यू नीड टू चेक जस्ट दिस थिंग्स. अपग्रेड गेस्ट एडिशन. आपको क्या करना है ना, गेस्ट एडिशन इंस्टॉल करना है. तो जैसे ही आप इस पे, यू विल बी सिलेक्टिंग दिस इंसर्ट गेस्ट एडिशन सीडी इमेज बाय रूट. तो यहाँ पे आपको जैसे राजेश को पॉपअप आया था ना, तो यू विल गेट दैट पॉपअप. सो
पर
जस्ट
मुझे वो कहाँ से मिलेगा जो आप
हाँ,
दिखा
थोड़ा
रहे
सा गूगल करेंगे इसको कि ये अपग्रेड गेस्ट एडिशन वाला.
हो? ओके, डिवाइस में
ओके.
जाते हैं.
हाँ हाँ.
तो
सो
इसको
यू
मैं
जस्ट,
वो सॉफ्टवेयर में कॉपी करूँ बोल रहा हूँ.
हाँ, सॉफ्टवेयर कॉपी करना है आपको, वो गेस्ट एडिशन वाला शायद से ऑनलाइन भी रहेगा गेस्ट एडिशन का. सो यू डाउनलोड इट and install it. So once you install it, I guess this should be active thereafter.
So you
And
mean to
then
say I have to run it on the Windows, or I need to copy on the Oracle this
no,
one?
no, you need to run it on Windows.
Okay.
Okay. So once you run it, this should be active. ऐसा मुझे लग रहा है. मैं देखता हूँ फिर भी. एक मिनट रुको, मैं क्लिक कर लेता हूँ फोटो. एक मिनट, जस्ट अ मिनट. होल्ड ऑन.
Yeah, yeah.
हाँ.
Otherwise, can I restart or check?
No, not restart. So thereafter आपका क्या होगा कि
अपग्रेड में जाऊंगा तो ऑटोमेटिकली अपग्रेड होगा क्या? आई नीड टू गिव सम पाथ एंड ऑल.
नो, डायरेक्टली करो तो हो जाना चाहिए वो, वर्चुअल बॉक्स में जाके. एंड देन यू इजेक्ट दिस. ये सीडी पे आना है आपको. ये इसको राइट क्लिक करके इजेक्ट कर देना है. इसको अभी कर देता हूँ. ये इजेक्ट, इजेक्ट हो गई. इजेक्ट, इजेक्ट. नीचे से दूसरा, हाँ, निकल गया ये. अनमाउंट एनीवे, अनमाउंट एनीवे.
ये क्यों नहीं हो रहा है?
इसको क्लोज करो नीचे से क्लोज करो। ये आपका टर्मिनल, ये नीचे का जो टर्मिनल आपने ओपन किया है वो
Okay.
कंट्रोल डी। और वो भी क्लोज करो।
मैंने स्क्रीन
इसको
थोड़ा
अनमाउंट करो, इजेक्ट, हाँ। ओके। और अब ऐसा होने के बाद डिवाइसेस में जाके यू हैव टू एग्जीक्यूट, मतलब ये कॉल करना है वो सेकंड वाला इंसर्ट गेस्ट एडिशन सीडी। बट फर्स्ट डाउनलोड एंड अपग्रेड इट। ओके।
Okay. Then I need to start this one, right?
हाँ, देन ये इसको करना है, रूट से करना है। एक पॉपअप आएगा, उसको एग्जीक्यूट करो, एग्जीक्यूट या रन या जो भी रहेगा, एंड देन इट विल डू इट। ओके।
ठीक है, I'll try. Let's see.
हाँ हाँ, ट्राई करो, नहीं तो देखेंगे, आई विल हेल्प यू। ओके। सो कीप राजेश, और आप पोस्ट करो स्टेटस अगर आपका जब इंस्टॉल हो जाएगा। ठीक है।
Okay.
अगर छोटा मोटा कोई एरर आता है तो आई कैन असिस्ट यू ओवर व्हाट्सएप ओनली। तो अब हमारे, सो पेस्ट स्नैपशॉट्स इन ग्रुप, सो व्हेन एवर आई एम फ्री आई विल ट्राई टू हेल्प यू। ओके।
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
ओके, चलो, बाय बाय।
Okay,
Bye bye.
bye.
या बाय बाय, टेक
Good night,
केयर,
guys.
बाय।
I guess.